Hey guys, Odds and Ends RC here. Today we're going to continue on the Grand Hauler build. This will be part 2 in the build series. On the first part we did the chassis and the front suspension. And on this part we're going to be doing the rear suspension and the differentials. A little bit of a timely build. We'll start off at step 13. Try to make it to probably 19. It's pretty intricate, it takes a while, so I'll put you on time lapse. It'll probably take me 3 hours or longer, but we'll see how it goes. This is the Tamiya Grand Hauler, and I'll put a link in the description for Amazon. We'll be doing a complete build series till we get her finished. But yeah, let's see how she goes. And oh, by the way, like I said in the previous video, all of your bolts, nuts, all your pieces, collars and stuff like that, they're all to scale. They're full size on here, so if you get mixed up and not quite sure on which bolt goes where, you just hold it up to the picture and it'll be the same size, and it'll show coarse thread or fine thread. Helps you out a lot, actually. And then these big letters here, you'll see it'll start out A, B, C, D. Here's C. That is in the kit. There's parts bags like this. And when you start on like step 1, it'll show you'll need A parts bag, and you'll continue on, and then once you get to a further step, it'll show you B parts bag, and use most of the parts out of the bag. I mean, don't worry, there's gonna be a few leftover screws and stuff like that, a couple of extras, and a lot of these parts bags are for other trucks too, so there's gonna be some extras, so don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. Yeah, we'll try to get to step 19. Alright, I'll put you on time lapse and we'll see how far we get. Alright guys, we got her done. Pretty easy, wasn't too much to it. Probably took me 2.5 hours or so. One of the complications I ran into is I actually put this rear end in backwards. I had it facing the opposite direction. I was trying to just make it symmetrical with this one back here, but that's not the way it goes. It actually goes opposite, if you could see. I was thinking that the drive shaft should line straight up, but that's not how it goes. It'll be a little crooked when you got it right. And then you got these bump stops on the rear end in there that bump against the frame. They should line up with the frames. How you know you got it right. Other than that, everything went pretty smooth. Remember to use a thread locker where they call for it. Inside the differentials themselves, real easy. Just go by the pictures in the book. There's 3 screws that holds the differential case together on the inside. Make sure you use Loctite on that. I've had one truck in the past where that come apart. But I really don't have much suspension travel on it, but we'll see how that works out. I guess you don't really need much, but yeah, pretty happy with it, man. The step 19. Everything's smooth. No hang-ups or grinds or anything like that. These leaf spring bolts here, these U-bolts, when I was tightening them down, the leaves can get kind of turned at an angle sideways a little bit. Just when you're tightening down the bolts, just try to keep them straight and parallel. It ease things up later when you're installing them. Yeah, other than the rear end being backwards, that's really my only hang-up. I think next time on part 3, we're going to try to do the transmission. That's the next step. Get it all together and installed on the frame. And probably do some wheels and tires. We'll see. We'll see how we get. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any tips or tricks on this. Let me know in the comments. If there's anything different you had to do or problems you ran into. But thanks for watching. We'll get up with part 3 in a few days. If you can, please subscribe. It'll help me out a little bit. But thanks for watching.